Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to use YouTube chapters feature in videos. In 2026, the YouTube chapters break a video into manageable sections, making it easy to skip to exact part you want. These are visible on the progress bar and in the video description as well. As you can see, there is a lot of topics and chapters segregated by YouTube itself. What you can do is slide your player slider according to your choice to reach that specific topic if you want to, or what you can do is just go ahead and tap on this more option from where you should be able to access this see more option. Now once you tap on it, from here you will be able to find all these topics wherever you want to access from where you want to continue to, and it will make your video watching journey much more easier and skip the unnecessary part that you don't want to look. All you have to do is go ahead and tap on that specific timestamp and you will be sent to that specific part of that video. That is how you do it, guys. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.